Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another wound up video. In this video we're taking a look at a Certina watch, as you can see here. This is actually my brother's graduation gift, which basically means that I'm not going to be reviewing this watch, I'm only going to be unboxing it. But before we get into the watch, let's take a look at what I am wearing today. And I am, as per usual, wearing my Omega Seamaster Diver 300. It's a great watch. I wear this watch every day, as I've explained before. There's no need for an introduction of this watch. It's a very famous watch, and yeah, I love it. So let's get into the box. Okay, and here we have a black Certina box, and let's just slide that up. And we have a box within a box, as per usual with all of these watch boxes. So without any further ado, let's open up the box. And there it is. Beautiful watch. So I'm gonna try not to remove too much plastic. That's enough, really. So here is my brother's graduation gift. It's a beautiful Certina DS-1 Powermatic 80 watch. It's a fantastic, all-around watch. It is 100 meters water resistant, which is awesome. This means my brother can shower and swim with his watch, no problem. It's the screw. It's not a screwing crown though, so I would not go diving with it. It does have a great mechanical movement, the Powermatic 80. As you can see on the back here, I'm just gonna put back the plastic. As you can see on the back here, we have that black rotor. It's the Powermatic 80 movement, which is basically a modified ETA 2824. And what they have done is they have reduced the beat rate from 28,800 vibrations an hour to 21,600, and that gives us a nice bump in power reserve to 80 hours. I'm sure there's a lot more going into that power reserve, but that beat rate is one part of it. But yeah, as I said, this is a very versatile watch. That's what we wanted when we chose this watch. And something that goes nicely with a suit, but at the same time something that you can wear with just casual clothes. And so this watch is very nice. So yeah, this is the watch. I'm not going to be talking that much more about it. I'm not going to be reviewing it because this is, of course, my brother's watch. He's the one who's supposed to wear it, but I just thought I would give you guys a nice unboxing and just a small talk about this watch. So with that said, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you would like to see more watch videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.